JK Mechanical lecture. Today I brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment in different engineering colleges or university. So the first college is Nagarjuna College of Engineering and Technology. They are having vacancies for HOD, professor, associate professor and assistant professor for following department like computer science and engineering, data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, IAC, electronics and communication, MBA and English. The MBA and English qualification and pay scale as per EICT norms. And next vacancy for Department of Admission, they having vacancy for Director and Admission Counselor, Clerk for University Operation like VTU, AICT, UGC, Front Desk Executive. So eligible candidate have to apply before 25th of January 2022 on recruitment at the rate of ncetmail.com. Next college is you can see this is NMKRB College for Women. It is an autonomous institution affiliated to Bangalore University, also accredited with NAAC A grade. They having vacancy for faculty position, assistant professor in UG department like English, history, economics, sociology, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, psychology, commerce, management and education. Qualification required for that is postgraduate degree in relevant subject with PhD and MAd with PhD or education. Also vacancy for in PG department, MSc chemistry, organic chemistry, MCom finance and account, MSc mathematics, MSc data science. Qualification required for that is postgraduate degree in relevant subject with PhD. Candidate with PhD NET slate with 5 to 8 years of teaching or research experience will be given preference. Salary will be not be a constant for the right candidate. So what you have to do, you have to apply for the above post by sending your latest resume with copies of credential and passport size photograph in a sealed envelope superscript with the post applied for within 15 days to Honorable Secretary, Rashtriya Shiksha Samiti Trust, RV Teachers College, building second floor, second block, Jayanagar, Bangalore, Karnataka. This is the email ID. If any query if you have, you can ask on them, and this is the contact number. This is next college is KRJS group of institution. They require faculty for Bemana Institute of Technology, professor required for ECE 2 post, ISE 1 post, CSE 1 post, associate professor ISE 3 post, CSE 2 post, assistant professor ECE 4 post, ISE 3, CSE 1 post. They also required lab instructor CSE 1 post, ISE 2, ECE 1, AIML 1, Civil 1. They also having vacancy for Bemana Institute of Physiotherapy for assistant professor and lecturer, total 4 post, visiting faculty, total 4 post. RJS Institute of Management Studies, they having vacancy for associate professor management with marketing 1 post, assistant professor HR and finance 1, English 1 and Kannada 1. RJS first grade college for lecturer computer science 1. Salary as per KRJS AICT norms apply within 10 days to General Secretary KRJS #1 Mahayogi Bemana Road 3rd block Kormangala Bangalore. Next college is NK Orchid College of Engineering and Technology. They having vacancy for professor, associate professor, assistant professor in branch civil, area of specialization structural construction management and others, mechanical products specialization production, CAD/CAM, robotics, mechatronics, CSE AI, DS and ML, etc, embedded system, signal processing and other, electrical engineering, drives, power electronics, HVE, facts, and maths, engineering maths they required. So what you have to do, biodata and application mentioning salary drawn and salary expected should be sent through email to office@orchidengineering.ac.in in 10 days plus Solapur. Next college is Kali Charan Nigam Institute of Technology. They have, require faculty for branches CSC, EC, EN, ME, Civil and MBA. All grades of professor vacancy there: professor, associate professor and assistant professor in CSC, EC, EN, ME, Civil, MBA, Applied Science and Humanities. They are also having vacancy for training and placement officer. If you have MBA with 2 years of professional experience, you can apply here. Interested candidates should apply through email on hr.kcnit@gmail.com by sending their latest CV. It is in UP. Next vacancy is in Chittkara University. They are having requirement for Dean in Fashion Design, Dean in UX and UI, require principal for architecture and registrar for design program. You can see the respective qualification required. We are looking for full or part-time faculty, probably with NIFT, NID, prestigious fashion institution background. For Dean, we are looking for a senior fashion design professional with at least 15 years of experience in academic or industry, preferable with education from NIFT or NID. Means for Dean, they require means 15 years of experience in academia. So next college is Cmrit. CMR Institute of Technology invites application for following vacant position: professor, associate professor, assistant professor and teaching assistant in CSC, IAC, AC, electrical, mechanical, civil, artificial intelligence and machine learning, artificial intelligence and data science, MBA for marketing, HR, finance, MCA, mathematics, physics, chemistry and English. They also have some non-teaching and support staff post vacant: placement officer, digital marketing manager, graphic designer, marketing manager, office executive, HR executive, admission counselor, then telecounselor, lab instructor, system admin, librarian, etc. Candidate for faculty position are expected to have good academic record, communication skill good, research publication in reputed journal, active research work record and motivation for research, talent for funded projects, skill for consultancy, industrial collaboration. So you have to apply at careers@cmrit.ac.in. Mention the applied position applied for along with department in subject line. Next is Oro University. They having vacancy for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in business school, hospitality management, design, information technology, law, journalism and mass communication, liberal arts and human science. What you have to do for applying? You have to scan this QR code and apply by latest 5th of February 2022. So that's all about today's vacancy. Share it with your friends. Like the video. Subscribe the channel if you are visiting my channel first time for our latest upcoming updates. Thank you.